Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get Shopify Payout. Open your Shopify admin, go to Settings, then Payments to review payout details. First, check your payout schedule, bank account, and tax forms to prevent delays. Note processing times, reserve policies, and payout thresholds that affect timing. If something looks off, contact Shopify support and your bank promptly with transaction ID and screenshots to speed resolution for faster help. Sometimes payouts fail or are delayed due to verification, holds, or bank errors, and that can feel frustrating. Start by reviewing payment provider alerts, email notices, and your payout timeline in Shopify. Verify your identity documents and bank details match exactly to avoid holds. Watch for chargebacks or refunds that reduce payout amounts, and set realistic cash flow expectations while troubleshooting with clear screenshots and order numbers. And keep records. Quick recommendation: if you value clean floors while managing payouts, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for hands-off cleaning and voice control. This robot navigates rooms, adapts to messes, and keeps your workspace tidy between orders. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Optimizing payouts starts with selecting the payout frequency that suits your cash flow needs, whether daily or weekly. Ensure your payout bank supports faster settlement and add backup accounts to prevent interruptions. Configure clear order and refund workflows to minimize reserves, and use apps or scripts to automate reconciliation. Regularly review fees, payment provider terms, and sales patterns so you can adjust thresholds and avoid surprise holds that disrupt your business.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.